In this video, I will show you how to add files to favorite folder in Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you open up your file manager on your Android phone. Open up your file manager. You can add photo, video, or any file document to favorite. So for that, click on browse. And this point right here, I'm going to simply open up a document right here. So let's, for instance, I want to favorite this PDF document. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on Hold down. And the next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots right here. Then you want to make sure you click on Favorite right here. Once you click on Favorite, you can see Added to Favorite. You can add as many as possible different documents to Favorite tab. Then go back. We can as well add video or photo to Favorite tab. I'm going to go ahead now and open up images right here, just like so. Then go ahead and open up a particular image. Then this, for instance, I'm going to add this image to favorite. So I'm going to simply go ahead and click on Hold down. Then click on these three dots right here. Then go ahead and click on Add to Favorite. Successful added to favorite. After adding as many as possible different files and documents to favorite, how can you have access to it? Simply come down below right here, click on favorite right here. And you have a list of all the favorite documents and files, videos, and images that you have in right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.